Okay.
So sleepy.
So welcome
Okay.
to science lesson today. Okay, I'll be replacing teacher Jess just for today. All right. And we'll start off the lesson with a quiz. Okay, so it's a word search puzzle. Would like to go to your chat button, all right? And you
Chat.
see a link. Can you see a link? Just sent a link.
Yes.
All right. Try. That's
Okay.
that's a quiz on word search.
The hard
Try to
search
find
code.
10 words are there. There are 10 words hidden. There's also clues for you. If you need help, you can click on the clue button. So I'm going to pause the recording so that to give you time to complete the quiz. Okay. And we'll get back in a bit with the recording. So all of you try on your side first. Okay.
Yes.
So put in chat, huh? Okay. So let's start this now. Now, the way you've got to do this is, first of all, click on a word. Try to find a word. Say, I found,
Are we supposed to tell you where the stuff are?
Yes.
come again.
I found
See,
pulmonary.
Hey, I found
Pulmonary
that first.
every time you
Was that Sachin?
Type in
refresh,
chat. Type in chat.
guys,
Yeah,
every time you
Elisha,
refresh,
Elisha
the
found it.
settings will change. Okay, so then you click, it'll get in.
Teacher, I found heart.
Vowels.
I found heart.
Where? Find vowels.
You're very close to it. Teacher, right there.
No.
Teacher.
It's so close.
Teacher above. Okay.
Teacher, go up.
Okay.
Up
Okay,
left.
I found vowels. I
Teacher,
found
up
vowels. Now
left.
let's
Up
listen.
left. Up left.
Okay, find atrium. Find atrium. Can you see atrium?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's next to heart.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, next word.
God.
Listen, listen.
Yes.
Plasma.
I
Where
can't
is it?
hear. Plasma.
Oh, you can't
Found
hear.
it.
Teacher, I found it. It's above atrium. There.
Yeah.
What you're
Yes.
pointing at
Good.
right now.
Plasma.
Okay, I'll tell you the word. Okay, now this one.
Wait, teacher,
Veins.
I found cat. I found cat.
Find
Veins.
Teacher, I found
Where's
heart.
veins?
Cap
Find
is
veins.
EGCAP.
Veins. Okay.
Oh,
All right, let's listen to the next word. Arteries. Where's the artery?
teacher.
Fine.
No.
Next to heart.
Arteries.
There.
Next to heart. Where is the heart?
Oh, teacher, top left.
Yes,
Top left.
Teacher.
Top left, there's heart and
left,
matrix.
arteries.
Teacher, click on it.
Teacher, there. Teacher, next to arteries, next to it, exactly right next to it.
Okay,
Right
let's
next
hear
to
the
it,
next
there's
word.
a heart.
Wait.
Platelets.
I want to search for heart then. Heart. Okay, where's the heart?
On the left. Oh,
So this
yeah.
is my heart. Okay, next word. Platelets.
Teacher, above plasma.
Good. Very good.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Huh?
Caterpillar. Capillaries, not caterpillar. Oh my
Oh,
god.
teacher, above atrium, below plasma.
Teacher, I never said
Capillaries.
Don't you say caterpillar, right?
I
Okay, it's
never said-
capillary.
What's the last word?
Ventricles.
Cat.
Where, what?
Ventricles.
Oh, teacher, above plasma, below platelets.
It's
Very
above the middle.
Next leg.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm on the leaderboard. Let's see.
Teacher, I know you have all about health.
Okay, we will
Teacher,
put
that's not-
all our names. All of us. Okay?
Yeah.
Enter your name.
Leaderboard.
Imagine
How
using
come
it.
only got you?
Let's see the results. Let's see the results.
369.
Oh,
Didn't come. Somehow when I play, it doesn't come.
Hey,
Never
let's
mind.
go. I still
Okay.
win.
All right.
Whoa.
Okay. So, are you ready to explore? What do you think we're going to learn today?
Teacher,
Heart.
please.
Wait,
They
what do
are-
you think we're going to
About hearts. They are
About the
different
heart.
between the heart shape and our body heart.
Oh, okay. A lot of you, all right, sometimes may have
Love.
seen what you call the
Call of
picture of a
Duty.
heart. Anyone has seen or not before? The
Yes.
picture of a heart.
Seen
Do you know
what?
how a
Oh,
heart
yes.
looks like?
It looks like
Not the
a
love,
It looks like a
no,
tomato.
no,
It looks like a
teacher.
tomato.
It's a weird shape. It's a weird shape of an oval.
Okay.
It's an
That's just
unusual
a
shape.
geometrical shape. Okay, it's not a real heart. Later we will see a real heart. Okay.
How do
Alright,
they
let's-
even find the real model? Like the
It
model
looks
of
like a
the
tomato.
of the
You
heart.
want to see a real model? A real
Do they
It looks
find
like a
how do
tomato.
the actual
Who said
model
the
of a
heart
heart?
looks like a tomato? Oh my
Durgesh.
good gracious. Okay. All right. Now, this
Are
is
we
something
learning
in science.
calculator system?
All right, Durgesh, now let's start, okay? So, in science, one of the things that you learn in chapter 5, or sorry, in chapter 5, standard 5, is called this word. It's called, everybody try to repeat, circulatory system.
Circulatory system.
Circulatory system.
Circulatory
What?
system.
Circulatory system. Circulatory system.
Circulatory system.
Now, what the
Circulatory
circular?
system.
Okay, what word do you think this comes from?
Circle.
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 Buh.
Circle, right? Now, how does a circle look like?
Circle.
It's a round ball, but
Like
2D.
round, like this. Can you see me drawing?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the circle also shows that it's like complete. Would you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Like it's completed. If I were
Yes.
to draw something like this, it's not complete. Am I right?
Yes.
But the circle always is completed. If I draw like this, can we call it a circle?
No.
Looks like a giraffe.
Circle is something that is really complete. Now, the circulatory system talks about or explains about how the blood flows. Okay, how
Okay.
the blood flows in our body. To be very precise, how the oxygen flows. Now, let me ask you an important question. Do we all breathe?
What? What
Do
did you
you
ask?
breathe?
Yes, I do.
I
I
asked, do
breathe
you breathe?
underwater.
Yes,
Breathe. Do you breathe or
all
not?
living things breathe. Yes.
Okay, very good. Next question. When you breathe in, what gas are you taking in?
Oxygen.
Sorry, no.
Oxygen.
Yeah,
Put in
oxygen.
chat. Put in chat. Let's see whether you can get this right. Answer now in chat. When you are breathing in, darling, in. What air is going in? Oxygen or carbon dioxide?
Oxygen.
Choose. Breathing in. Oxygen. Yes, oxygen. Okay. Breathing out. What air? If in is oxygen, out is carbon dioxide. Okay, now I want you to really remember this. So how are we going to remember? Close your eyes, all of you. I know.
Oh my
some I
god.
can see you. Now breathe in. Breathe. Take a deep breath.
This is what you do
Durgesh.
every time in school.
Yes. Breathe out slowly. Now say oxygen.
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 And in exhale carbon dioxide.
What?
And
Can
exhale
exhale
carbon
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 dioxide.
dioxide.
Okay. Can we remember this? Oxygen in,
Yes.
carbon dioxide out. Okay. Plants do the opposite. Okay, remember that,
Yes.
Plants do the exact opposite.
Is it?
Now let's go on. Go on, we got a lot to do today. So let's see. Now, all of you, the heart, if you want to learn about this, we are not doctors yet, but at least the basics. The circulatory system, it has 4 major components. You must know these words. What is the heart? 2 words here. Durgesh, can you read this word?
Arteries.
Good. Nirav, can you read this word?
Veins.
Veins. And Sachin, can you read the last word?
Blood.
Blood. Aloysius, the first word?
Heart.
I'm sure you are very familiar with heart and you're also very familiar with blood. You know
Yes.
these words. You know what it means. Human beings, all of us have heart. We don't have heart means we die. We are not alive. Okay?
I don't know what it means.
We really don't know what it means. Later after class, I'll tell
I
you.
really don't.
Okay. Can you see this picture here?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Can you see this little thing here? This is
like a
your
little-
heart.
It's the heart.
Yes, this is your heart. Your heart, do you know, before you were born, you were all, zygotes.
Yes.
before you became a little baby, before you were born after 10 months, first you were like a cell, like a round, like a cell. And the
Like a
first
egg.
thing that forms is your heart. The heart is the one will start to beat. From the heart, only other parts of the body will come out. Oh, do I look like a spider there? Looks like Spider-Man. Okay, the first thing that actually comes, you go and ask your mommy after this, all of you.
Okay.
The first thing a mommy will tell when they go see a doctor is to listen
Look
to
like-
the heartbeat. The heart will start to beat. Then only
Even
it
for
will grow.
eggs, right?
All right.
Teacher, what's
Now,
the
there's two
cockroach on the
words.
screen?
Okay, there's two words here called arteries and veins. Something
I
new.
know,
Okay, and later we will explore what is these arteries and what's these veins.
I know
Remember
archery.
that. Okay. All right. Are
Sounds
you
like a
ready to go on?
Pokemon.
Okay.
Yes.
So far, so good. Okay, let's
Yep.
move on.
So
Got things
far,
to do. All right. Aloysius, can you please read this first one? Can you see the screen on your side?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, can you read?
Your heart is really a muscle. It's located a little to the left of the middle of your chest, and it's about the size of your fist.
Okay. All of you, put your hands folded in front of you. Okay. Take your left hand. That means your left hand, hold it like a fist. Okay. It's in the middle, right? Now push it a bit to the left. A bit to the left and bring it to your body. Bring it close to your body. Touch your body.
Are we doing the Olympic?
I feel
That is
my
where your
heartbeat.
heart is. Literally, that's where your
When
heart
the
is,
heart
and it's about the
beats,
size of your fist. Can you hold your fist or not?
Teacher,
Remember,
but
you are
it
still
says
small.
size of your
Your
fist.
hands are still small,
said
so your heart is
fist.
still small. Fist. This is a fist. Can you see my picture? Can you see
But
me?
I heard Aloysius say face.
No.
What do you mean?
fist.
I don't understand.
Well,
Okay.
I thought you
I'm
say
going to-
face. No, my
you
hearing
see?
problem.
I didn't say face. I said fist.
Oh, all right. Okay, fist. Guys, let's move on. Who's gonna
Can
read
I
next?
read?
Sachin. Read the second sentence. I've got a quiz after this, so every word here is important.
Read fast.
Yes.
Read
Come on,
first, day,
Sachin.
beta. If you don't
Sachin,
read,
Sachin,
I will
quick, quick.
take you outside to the road and beat you.
Where is this boy? Sachin, read.
Here.
Read the second one. Your heart is
Yeah,
sort of like
your
okay,
heart
start.
is sort of like a pump or two
Mm.
pumps in one. It pumps
Mm.
blood around your body.
Why are you
Blood
laughing?
provides your body the oxygen
Who
and
burped?
nutrients it needs. It also carries away weight.
Not me.
Burped just now.
Okay,
Not
let's
Anna,
ask
not me.
Durgesh. Durgesh,
Yes.
what does the heart work like? The heart is like a what? He just read it. It's in front of you. The heart is
Pump.
like a what?
Pump.
Pump. Very good. Have you seen a pump before?
Yes, I know the
No.
bicycle
What is a
pump.
Have you all seen a
pump?
pump?
Pump.
Pump, pump, pump.
Oh,
Like that. Okay,
okay.
put your hands. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Try to do it. Pump. Okay? This is the action of pumping. Okay? Now, okay. My question for you now, all of you, Nirav, right? Nirav, who's the next one? Nirav, huh? Nirav, your question would be, it's all there on the screen, okay? What does the blood do? I am asking Nirav, okay? What does the blood do?
It's right in front of you.
The heart pumps the blood.
Whoa, keep quiet,
But
bro.
what does the blood do? Nirav, you need to unmute yourself,
muted.
Nirav.
Provides your body with the oxygen and nutrient it needs.
Nutrients it needs. Very good. Okay. So now, look at, oh gosh, look at the bottom one. Okay, Aloysius, read the one, the third sentence, the right side.
The right side of your heart receives blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs.
Okay. All right, all of you. Read the question very carefully. And can I have who didn't read yet? Durgesh. Nirav, right? Nirav. Nirav, read the last part. The left side.
The left side of the heart receives blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the body.
Okay, now when you read, I know sometimes you don't understand. So I'm going to draw it out. So imagine this is your heart. Okay? All right? And
Looks like
then
an eye.
your heart is inside your body. This is your body.
Teacher, are you drawing Minecraft?
No, I'm drawing. Okay? All right. Okay, actually my
Heart.
drawing is very bad. Hold on. Let me draw again.
More.
Hey, you
That
can
was
see this.
nice.
Really?
That
Okay,
looks
can you
like
see this man?
Minecraft villager.
Okay. Okay, this is you. Okay? Your heart is on the left, so it's somewhere here. For this person, the left is here. And then when you want to breathe, your nose is up here, correct or not? So you're breathing in, right? Where does the air go to?
Your
Does
lungs.
it go to the heart? Lungs. It goes to the lungs. So that oxygen from the lung must go to the heart. Okay, that oxygen, can you see the orange color is the oxygen? It goes to the lung first, then it goes to the heart, carrying oxygen, of course, more oxygen. From this, the heart will do some little transferring business and pump it out to the body. You understand? Using the pump system that it has, the beating system. Now, when the oxygen go and reach your fingers here, your fingers and your hands and other parts, an exchange will happen. The oxygen will be sent to the cells and the next gas, the opposite gas, what is it called?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide will be exchanged and it will go back. It will go back to where? Will it go back to the lung or the
The
heart?
heart.
Yes. The
Attack
carbon
the
will
nose.
actually will go back to your heart and your heart will send it back to the
Lungs.
Among us.
and then all these will come out as
Nose.
carbon dioxide. All this happens in less than
Less than what?
less
Minute.
than 1 second. 1 second. Less than that. All this happens.
So there's air changing into how to say carbon dioxide in my
dioxide.
hands right now.
Yes, all the time. Every time, even when you're asleep. How's that? I tell you, your heart is the most hardworking person in your body. More hardworking than you.
Oh, I thought my foot.
Oh, we got
Correct.
roasted.
Yeah, look, my picture doesn't look, it's not too bad. Later I show you nicer pictures. Okay? So far, so good. Do you understand?
Yes.
So do you
Yes.
see where it travels? Does it go straight to the heart? That oxygen thingy on?
No.
And who's the transport agent that does all this?
What do you mean by transporting?
Taking the oxygen and bringing it back. Who is doing all the transporting?
The heart,
Remember, there are 4 things you learned just now. The
Let's see.
heart,
the veins, and the
there were 2
artery.
words, arteries and veins.
Blood,
Then what is the
blood,
last word?
The blood.
Blood. Yes, blood. Good. It's the blood that does the job of the Grab driver inside your body. Okay? It transports the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, of course, it does it through something called as the blood vessel. It will have a tube, like a pipe. Okay. So, when the oxygen is going, okay, it's called arteries. It will go inside the blood vessel called the arteries. But when it reaches your hand or leg or whatever, the carbon dioxide will come out, right? And that will go in something called the veins. You can definitely see this in your body right now. Look at your hands. Can you see the blue,
The green
like a
stuff.
green color lines running like that in your body? If it's thin enough, your wrist itself can see.
It's
Can
popping
you see
out
the
my
green
legs.
color line? Green color line, can you see?
It's
Fine
popping
enough.
out
Go
of
see
my
your mother's
feet.
hand. Yeah, feet also popping out. My goodness. That's your veins.
What's this? What's this? I see a line, but
You see a line, huh? Vampire pula, not vampire, please. It's a veins, okay?
no.
Alright.
Aloysius
Okay.
say my
So
favorite
far?
color is also red.
Okay.
Blood red. Not
Durgesh?
kidding. I said vampire.
Mr. Durgesh, listen. Okay, we are running out of time. We've got to be fast. What are the 4 important words that you know so far? Heart,
Blood.
blood,
Good. Vein.
Arteries and veins.
Arteries and veins. Remember that. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. 6 words. Can you remember all those so far?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay. All right.
Luda. Luda.
Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So now, let's ask Aloysius.
I
Please
didn't
read the
read
first
yet.
paragraph.
Before each beat, your heart fills with blood. Then it contracts to pump the blood along. When the heart contracts, it squeezes. Try squeezing your hand into a fist. That's sort of like what your heart does so it can pump the blood. Your heart does this all day and all night, all the time. The heart is one hard worker.
Okay, Durgesh. So far, so good, eh? It's the same thing that what we spoke earlier. Read the second part. The heart is made up.
The heart is
Very
made
important.
up of 4 different blood-filled areas, and each of these area is called chamber. There are
Stop
2
for a
chambers.
while. Stop. Pause for a while. My question, all of you in chat, answer me. What is the meaning of chamber? Do you know? The heart is made up of 4 different areas. Each area is called a chamber. What's a chamber to you, to your understanding? Maybe you have not heard of this word before, but this word is in your room, the word is in your house. So what's a chamber? Chamber. It's like a cage. It's not a cage. It's something in your house. You can find it in your house. What's a chamber? Don't ask your mother, okay, or your father. That's the thing I'm asking you. What's a chamber? Come on. Any ideas?
This one?
Huh?
Glass?
Durgesh?
Water? Glass?
I'm not asking all that explanation. I'm just asking for one word. What does chamber mean? It's a room. Chamber is like a room,
A
not
large
instrument.
room used for formal or public events.
Yes, your heart has like 4
He's
rooms in
using
it. Can you?
Google. Google.
No, who Google? Sachina.
No, Aloysius.
No, I don't forget. We are all better than Chat GPTs, aren't we? Okay. All right. Okay. Nirav, can you please read this sentence? Oh, sorry, Durgesh, can you please continue reading first?
There are 2 chambers on each side of the heart. 1 chambers on the top and 1 chambers on the bottom.
All right. There are 2 chambers on each side of the heart. One is on top and one is the bottom. So listen carefully. There's 2 rooms like that on top and 2 rooms at the bottom. What is happening here? All that exchange is happening. Okay? Because it must come in from the lungs and it must go out to the body. Then it must come back from the body and it must go back to the lungs. Do you understand the flow?
Yes.
Durgesh, repeat what I say.
Do you understand the rules?
No, kind of like airport terminals. See, listen carefully to what I say. Okay, there are 4 chambers. I'm going to ask any one of you to repeat. There are 4 chambers. I'm drawing it itself here. Okay, why 4? Because blood has to come from the lungs and then go out to the body. Then it has to come back in from the body into the heart and from the heart back to the lungs. Do you understand now? This is your lungs and this is your body. Remember, our transport agent is the blood. Okay, so from the lungs, the blood will go with the oxygen to your heart. Then it will enter one chamber and then it will come out to another chamber to go to the body to deliver the oxygen. Then from the body, that oxygen will exchange to become carbon dioxide. And then it will come back. It won't go to the lungs, it will come back to the heart again, enter back, and then only go back to the lungs. Do you understand this Grab journey
My brain
of sending
is-
oxygen and bringing carbon dioxide back?
My brain just
Okay.
deleted all the memories.
Teacher, my last brain cell don't know what to do.
Okay. Now, don't worry. We'll do a lot of quizzes, okay, after this. The two chambers on top are called the atria. So, from the word atria, you get left atrium and right atrium. Do you understand?
Yes.
The two rooms, like the two rooms, okay? This is called the atria. Important, huh? So, there's one on the
House.
left, and the left atria, and then you have the right atria. Got it? Now, there are two chambers at the bottom, and they are called the ventricles. Okay, another new word coming in, ventricles. That's why you saw just now in the puzzle, word search puzzle, ventricles.
Teacher, is there a typo?
Typo. Left ventricle and a right ventricle. Do you understand now your heart?
Okay.
Just that's it. Not too much. Okay, we just want to see how the blood flows. All right. Okay, now I want to take you to see the real heart. You want to see the real heart?
Oh my.
Okay.
This
we
doesn't
call it
even look
body.
good.
Oh wow.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Hold on.
Wait, teacher,
Sekejap.
I wanna see that 3D model.
My last brain cell be like, ding.
Okay.
See
You
the
want to
chat.
see the 3D model first, or do you want to do the quiz first?
3D model.
No.
I don't know. Majority
Go
wins.
3D model.
Okay, 3D model. Yes.
Where's the dead body so we can see we can see the real heart? Where is it?
Wait lah. Oh, you want to see the real heart? You want to see the real
Yes.
heart?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
Come.
see.
Like, I want to see
I
a
won't go
picture of a
through
dead
everything
body.
here. Okay, now you see, huh?
You
This
can
is
see-
called the what system
Wait.
again? What
Human
system is it?
circulatory system.
The
Circulatory system.
circulatory system.
Okay,
weird.
thank you. Huh. If you're going to be a doctor, these will be all the important parts you'll need to
This
know.
doesn't look
But
like a heart. This is not a heart.
but
Hey,
listen,
It looks
listen.
like 3D printed heart.
Durgesh, can you hold on, please? Okay, because this is being recorded, darling. Okay. Remember, I told you the 4 chambers.
Yes.
Remember the 4 rooms?
Yeah.
So can you see this blue one here?
Yeah.
And then the bottom,
Yes.
and then it comes back here, and then
Yes.
this is your 4 chambers.
Okay, wait. So the right atrium goes outside the left
Hold on,
atrium.
hold on. Okay, wait. Let's read this. Durgesh, can you read this sentence?
The heart is a powerful muscle that is situated between your lungs, protected by the ribcage. Rib cage.
Ribcage.
Rib cage. Okay, rib cage. No, not okay, rib cage. You touch your body, you can feel the rib
Yep.
cage. Can you feel like a
I feel
cage?
bones.
I can
Like
feel it
bones?
every.
That's called the rib cage.
Huh?
Okay. Oh, okay. Aloysius, read the second sentence. The heart pumps.
The heart pumps blood to the lungs to get oxygen.
Good. Nirav, read the third sentence.
The heart pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body.
This is the first part, the journey of the Grab blood driver delivery boy. Okay. Oxygen from the lungs goes to the heart. Okay, let's clear this. Not too long, huh? Okay, let's go to the next slide. You can see now. Look carefully. Can you see the slide? Okay, I'm going to click. Now you look carefully how it functions. Huh? Can you see the arrow going in first?
Yes.
That's the blood
Yes.
with the oxygen. Okay, did you see that?
Yes.
I'm going to do it again. Huh? Can you see the blood going in with the oxygen?
There's an arrow.
Then
Yeah.
there's an arrow moving. Then comes down. Okay, it comes down. Then it goes back, goes out to the body. Can you see it going out?
Yes.
It's going out to the body. Now, once it goes to the body, this blue one is with the oxygen. O2, oxygen. It will go to your body. It will go to your brains. It will go to your ears. It will go to your eyes, to your legs, to your feet, everywhere. After that, it will come back with the carbon dioxide. Do you understand? So when it
Yes.
comes back, it has to come back to the heart again.
Wait, what?
So it comes back here. okay, into this chamber, the third chamber.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, it goes down to the next chamber before it is going back to where? Where is it
lungs?
going to be sent? Lungs, exactly. That's it. Well done.
Wait,
You
wait,
pass.
teacher. So every chamber,
Has a job.
no, like every chamber has like a, how to say, like a hole to be connected to
Yes,
the
yes,
next
there
chamber.
is. There is. Yes. Okay. All right. The blood must flow. There.
Ew,
Look.
what the heck? Ew.
Why? What you?
Is that an actual
Looks like-
heart?
Yeah, of course it is an actual heart. Then what do you think? What?
Ew.
Dummy heart for you all, is it? It's an actual heart there.
Ew.
Okay. How does it look
Where
like?
do you even find this?
Guys, you
Dark
can
web.
find dead bodies everywhere. Huh?
Teacher,
Teacher,
where do you find this,
Dark
teacher?
web, dark web, dark web.
Where do you find this?
Pictures, love. You know, there are people who die
Dark
every
web.
day who
Oh, it's so
cut out and people
disgusting.
take pictures. Not the dark web, obviously not. This is from an educational slide, you know,
So
from a
what, when
website.
I'm dead, the rest there will be just random people taking out organs and showing them.
It looks epic.
That is if you will it. Okay, if you don't want, then you can always choose whether you want to be buried or cremated. Okay. Sachin, what do you think? Nirav, what do you think the heart looks like? For me, it looks like.
Teacher,
Really, you want to ask me what it looks like? Yeah.
that looks like a freshly cut piece of steak.
Yeah. Looks like that to me as well.
Imagine eating it.
Whoa, you are carnivorous.
Epic.
Why is everything epic?
You wanted to see heart, right? So I show you. Okay, now
I
this is the
prefer
video.
to the heart.
Okay, can I have Nirav? Nirav, can you please read this? When we breathe in.
When we
Okay.
breathe in, inhale,
Okay. Mhm.
the intercostal
Okay,
muscles,
don't worry about that. Okay, muscles.
muscles contract and the diaphragm pulls down.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm pulls down,
Pulls down.
making the chest expand. This causes air to be sucked into the lungs.
Okay, guys. Important, Durgesh, Aloysius, Nirav, Sachin. 3 things
Yes.
are happening when you breathe in. Okay. Number 1. First of all, the muscles will contract when you breathe.
What
There's a muscle
contract?
squeeze.
Muscles will contract.
What is
Contract means
contract?
become small, like squeeze tight.
Wait,
Contract.
what? Wait. So if we breathe in, all our muscles will like shrink.
Yeah, shrink. Exactly. It will
Teacher,
shrink.
I have a better way to breathe.
Breathe. Breathe
Wait,
the
how
correct
does the
way.
chest expand when the muscles
Yeah.
contract?
Yes, the lungs will expand, not the chest. The lungs
okay.
causing, of course, the chest will expand because the chest is just here, okay, in front. Lungs are inside. So first thing, muscles contract, become smaller. Lung expands, and diaphragm, that is like this thing here at the bottom, you will feel something going down. Try breathing in correctly.
I don't feel anything.
You must
Wait,
feel. My
wait,
Wait,
goodness.
teacher.
what are
Zombie
we supposed to
apocalypse.
feel? What are we supposed to feel?
You are supposed to feel your lung expand. Do you feel
Okay,
your lungs
teacher,
expand?
I feel my muscles contract and lung expand, but are we supposed to feel this diaphragm?
Yes, you are.
Teacher,
You
I know how
can.
to feel
If
Wait,
you
how
are
do you
sensitive enough, the diaphragm is down. You'll feel like your body
Can
is
you
going
feel
up.
it, teacher?
Of course I can. I do yoga some more.
Wait, what?
Kentucky
How do
Wait,
you?
teacher.
Wait,
Let me
how do
try
you
to breathe and try to feel my
I
lungs.
don't feel something pulling downwards.
downwards. It will go down. Your stomach will move in a bit, if you
All I
realize.
feel is my stomach just growing.
Okay, this is what happens when you breathe in. Okay. Now, the exact opposite happens when you breathe out. So, Durgesh, tell me first. If this breathe in is muscle contract, what's the opposite? Hachu. God bless you.
Is that the answer?
No,
No.
it was
Because I
Easy.
breathe in too hard.
Okay. Okay. Muscle contract. Breathe in, muscle contract. So breathe out, what will happen? Contract, what is the opposite? Aloysius?
Expand.
Expand. Very good. Lungs will do what now? Nirav. First, muscle will expand. Lungs will, what happened to the lungs? Can you answer? Putting in chat.
They will expand.
No, when you breathe in, only the lungs are going to expand. Now I'm asking you the opposite when you breathe out. The lungs will do
They will
Voila.
close.
It's on the right.
contract. Remember, the two words are here. Contract, expand. That's it. Contract means become small. Expand means become big.
How
Back.
does our muscles have space if we breathe
Okay,
out
hold
and
on,
down?
Nirav, can you unmute yourself when you want to say? I can't hear you, Ba. Okay, do you understand what's happening? Good. Sachin, your turn. When we breathe in, the diaphragm pulls down. So when we breathe out, what happens to the diaphragm?
It pulls up.
Good, very good. Now we can go. After this slide, I show you the heart model. Okay, so lung shrinks. Another word is shrinks. Diaphragm relaxes. Okay, you need to go up lah. Okay, relaxes. Okay, these are some words. Muscles also relax. Okay, lung shrinks. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Basic body parts. Okay, all right. The way the air travels through is your nose, then goes to something
Trachea.
called the trachea, and then when it reaches here, it's called a bronchus. The air will go into these little creepy looking hands like that, and it's called the bronchiole. And the alveoli, I think so, alveoli is the place where the air will change. You know, the final exchange from oxygen to go to the blood, and the blood will bring back the carbon dioxide and give it to this air sacs. Then only it can become air back and go back. That's all. Do you like the picture? Okay.
Wait, teacher, what
And
are
that's
those?
your-
What are those bean things?
That's called the intercostal muscles and ribs. Now, really, you don't have to know this at this point. Okay. The important ones are the diaphragm, bronchiole, bronchus, heart, of course, because that blood goes to the heart behind. And that's all, just some basic body parts. Okay. That's involved. This is the respiratory system. Okay. If it's involving lungs and trachea, you call this in the human body, we call this the respiratory system. But the respiratory system is definitely linked to the system we are studying now, which is the circulatory system. Many systems are in your body. You must know because it's your body. All right, not mine. Mine also I must know. Okay. All of us must know about our body lah. Come on, that's the only thing we have. Okay. Yes or not?
Yay.
Agreed?
Yes.
Agreed. Must agree. Okay. All right, let's go on. Okay.
Oh
another
my god,
picture.
that is disgusting.
What is this? What is this?
Is that a heart?
No, but just now only I showed you the heart. What do you think
I love
this is?
it.
Is that lung?
Yes, it is your lungs, but this is a
I
clean
wonder
lungs.
what's up.
You
Wait,
know
teacher, is
how a
that-
smoker's lung will look like? Go next time to any shop, go and
Ooh,
see the cigarette box. They
I
will
do
put the
not.
picture there.
That's scary.
Yeah.
The black,
Teacher, is
black.
there a picture of the lungs cut open?
God, you can find it in the internet. So I'm sure there are so many. Okay.
How does
Yeah,
the
but this is
air
a really
sacs looks
clean
like?
lungs, very clean, not bad. Looks so pinkish and nice. And if you really want to see all these,
I have
you
no
know what you should do?
words.
Next time, tell your mommy, go buy a chicken, but don't chop it up. Buy the whole bird. Then you come back home, you ask your mommy to chop, then you can see the rib cage, the heart, the lungs, everything can see inside.
I actually ate a chicken heart before.
Dissect a chicken, okay? Go and stand beside your mommy in the kitchen when she does it. All right.
I'm getting nightmares.
Enough.
tonight.
Okay, enough of that. And now I'm going to show you a.
The quiz.
Now, I want to do a quiz now? Okay, we can do a quiz.
Yes.
Quiz time. Hold on. Sekejap.
Yay.
Kena cari link. Okay, hold on.
Can this please be an easy one, bro? My brain cell.
All
Click
right,
it.
go now. There's the second quiz. Okay, which I have just shared in the.
What did you call again?
Okay, go try that quiz. After all the knowledge that you have learned so far, try and see. Okay, I'm gonna pause the
Oh my-
recording for a while. Okay. All right, let's see your results now. 3 of you all have tried it. Okay. All right. Sachin is still doing, I think. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yes, you have got to try this quiz definitely again.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
trying it again.
Okay, now let's do it together. Oops, I put up the wrong one. Okay, here we go. Now you guys gonna
Yay.
tell me the answer. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, yes.
All right. The heart is a
Muscle.
what? Muscle or bone or tissue? Which one?
Muscle.
Muscle. Good. Okay. Nirav, answer me. The heart is protected by the.
He typed it in chat.
Oh, really? Oh my God. Sorry, I'm not. Okay. Found it. Ribs. Okay, good. Durgesh, third. The heart acts like a what?
Palm.
Good. Sachin, blood picks up.
Oxygen.
Betul ko. Okay, good. Aloysius, back. The heart pump.
Muscles.
Teacher, check my score.
I know the answer.
Okay, Nira,
Good.
what's your answer for this?
Arteries.
This
Ah,
is this
I'm good
is
to
the
school.
difficult
again?
one.
It's a.
A teacher, arteries.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys.
Arteries carry the blood to every part of veins. Which one is your answer?
A.
My
No.
answer was C.
Uh,
No, B.
I'm asking Nirav. So can the rest of you please mute? Nirav,
Okay.
you unmute yourself.
A
Ah.
teacher.
A, good. Arteries carry blood to your
It's so
body.
difficult.
Okay. All right, Sachin, what carries blood back to your heart? Remember the blue thing, the green thing in your hand? Veins, very good. Next.
Yay.
Walking and playing. Aloysius increases the what?
Heartbeat.
I purposely put beat heart there. Somebody got it wrong now.
Beat heart.
Leaderboard. Oh,
Oh. Yay.
Oh my god.
Teacher, how come your game only just you one?
Teacher, check the
yeah.
score.
It doesn't show you all. It's only me. Okay.
Ha.
All right. Check the leaderboard.
Damn
Durgesh,
it.
you're gonna do this again.
No.
I dusted you guys.
I'll send all later in the group.
Sachin
Okay.
is the
go.
Einstein.
You can do it 100 times if you want.
14.8 seconds.
Okay. Now it's the time for us to see the heart. Do you want to do that? The heart model.
You
Okay,
mean the
let's see.
quiz or like as if the module?
No, hold on. This is something very interesting.
Teacher,
So
we
hold
already
on.
saw a real life heart.
I know, but that's picture only. Wait, I show you better ones. Wait,
Gonna get nightmares.
Are you can you see what I'm showing now?
No.
Do you see anything?
No.
Nothing. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me share screen first.
Sachin, do you want to learn
Okay,
Japanese?
share screen. Share my screen. Okay. All right. Hold on. Open up. 3D heart model.
No.
What happened to this? Okay.
Yay.
Okay. I'm going to minimize. Okay. All right. There goes your heart. Tell me, which way shall I turn it? All around.
Everywhere.
This is how your heart looks like. Okay.
Is our heart
So-
actually like blue and red color?
That part I really don't know. I think we saw it was really reddish, right? Or maybe the blue part is for the veins, huh? No. Can you see your heart now? Let's go inside.
Yes.
Can you see?
Teacher, what are those white sticky things?
Wait, You must remember, I'm a maths teacher. I'm actually just replacing a science lesson. You don't ask me a lot of in detail question like doctor pula. You know? Okay.
What is
So,
that? Are those
basic ones,
veins on the heart?
yeah, I suppose there will be parts. You remember, I just taught you 4 chambers itself. You all want to pening kepala already. These are so many parts. Later, when I'll send you a worksheet, label all the hard parts. You all want to?
Wait, what?
Your science
No, I don't even
side
remember
doesn't.
any.
No, you don't need to do that. Okay, at this point, you're just learning how the blood flows, how the blood comes back, which are the basic parts. That's all. In fact, what I've taught you is more than the textbook already. I'm looking at the textbook. After this, you go and see your textbook. Okay, so this is how the 4 chambers. Can you find the 4 chambers?
I
You see,
can't.
No,
this
it's
is
on
the
the
chamber.
inside.
This must be the first one. Then it goes inside. Then you see, you remember you said it somehow has to go to the like holes, right? You told me there must be
Sticky.
something connecting. Then the other chamber, and I suppose this will be the other one here on top here. Can you see? Is this a cool picture? Not bad, huh?
Oh, wait, can you show the back?
Sure. The bag looks like this.
What does it
Top.
look like? An
Wait, there are
axolotl.
multiple holes.
Yeah, because your body part got so many body parts. Well, maybe got 2 whole. I'm very sure there'll be more names to it
There are
when you
so
go
many
and really
veins.
study the heart in detail. Okay, every part of it will have a name.
College.
But only a doctor will know this very well. Because they study, they're going to study. Medicine, you're going to study this only. But you study in detail. Standard 5, you just study the basic only. We are not going to become doctors yet, right? But we just know, oh, this is the heart. Got 4 chambers, got arteries, got veins. Okay? Blood pumps, oxygen, carbon dioxide. All this is important. Can? So far? Not bad,
Okay.
Okay.
How do they make this?
All this is tech. Welcome to the wonders of tech. It's called a 3D model. The back, the bottom.
Twinkle.
Twinkle. That's where I get all this from. But you have to pay for it. Okay?
What?
All right. But you don't have to learn. Getting for you all already word. Okay. So, shall we now call it a day with the last quiz to go? I've got one more quiz for you all. All right. Before we end the session.
One more
Okay.
quiz.
Yeah. But this one is more like a fun
Wait.
quiz.
Can be the Aloysius.
A quiz that really tests
Wait, what did you
how
say,
much
Sachin?
you know.
We are
Okay,
tied
about
1
your
to
body.
1. I must get 2 to 1.
I can't hear
2 to
you.
1. What do you want?
Can you repeat it?
Okay, this one is going to be a true or false quiz. Do you know what's a true or false? You just have to choose whether it's true or
No, I
false.
hate true or false.
Ooh. Okay, go to the chat now. All right. Okay, there you
What is
go.
poem
Good quiz
and
for the day. Before we end our session.
Hi. Oh, hi. What is that?
Heart. Oh, heart. Be a bit emotional lah. Okay, this is a nice title. All right, go try the quiz now. Okay.
Oh my
Pause
god.
the record.
Yeah.
So, how's the quiz going on?
I got 13 correct.
13? How can you get 13
14.
correct?
15.
Teacher,
See.
kill me.
Okay. Let me now show you how the quiz is going. All right. Okay. Let's share screen. Here you are. That's the quiz that we have now, which is heart or heart.
Wait,
Okay.
teacher, let me finish my one.
Yeah. Teacher, can we finish our one?
Yes, heart.
Finish,
Oh,
finish.
heart. Oh my god.
Okay, finish it lah. Finish. Okay.
I'm so close to 20.
Most of it is just true.
No.
Oh.
Yes, 20.
You're lucky.
Oh my god. 24. I want to try to get 30.
Okay, try. Let me pause the recording for a while. Let's see your results now. Heart or heart. Okay, for the heart or heart quiz, how come only 3%? Sachin, not yet.
No, not yet. Sorry. Wait. I am doing
Yes,
fast.
let's go.
Wait, you have to wait for one
Slow
more
and-
person. Okay.
Please, Sachin, don't get
Hey, be
over
quiet.
47.
Aloysius, yeah. Oh, this is based on points, I suppose. Okay, true or false. So Durgesh 33, Nirav 24. Later, try to do this quiz again and
Sachin,
increase
please get 40 and below.
8 questions. Yeah.
Sachi, faster. See,
Stop
next
at the
week you're
correct
going to meet me at 9, the
Let's
heart
do the
search.
heart or heart. All right. Start.
Okay, I
Turn on.
can. I have to.
Aloysius.
We're gonna,
Go, go, go.
yes.
It takes 60 seconds
False,
for blood
false,
travel.
false, false,
So
false.
false. False.
Aloysius, what the
Good.
score?
True,
True.
true, true,
True,
true, true, true,
true,
true,
true,
true, true,
true, true.
True. True.
True.
Okay. True. Laughter has no
false,
real
false,
effect.
false, false,
False, false, false, false.
Laughter has an
Copying me.
effect on your heart. You cannot
True,
live
true,
more
true,
than
true,
5
true,
minutes.
true, 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 true.
Your heart is the second hardest working organ.
False.
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 It is
It's
the most.
True lah.
No, teacher, you
No,
you
give me
didn't
wrong.
answer in time. You didn't answer in time. That's why. True,
Oh,
true. Faster,
true,
faster,
true,
quick.
Right.
Third.
Okay.
Aloysius, what's your score?
The average
True.
heart,
47.
your heart is the second
False.
hardest.
False. See, I
Okay,
told
okay.
you.
Your heart is
True, true.
True.
the heart beats
True.
faster in children. Come on, laughter has no real.
False.
Octopus
True.
have 3 hearts. It takes 60
False.
seconds.
False. Yeah, it's very
False.
difficult.
It repeats again. You cannot live more than 5
True.
minutes. True. The average heart.
False.
True. Your heart is the second hardest.
False.
Laughter.
True. Everything false. So
Teacher, I'm done. Check my score.
Okay lah. How long it goes on? It goes on to 3 minutes, right?
no,
So it
only
will
like
see
2
how
minutes. Only
long.
2 minutes.
Oh, only 2 minutes. Okay. Let me see. Your heart is true.
So
Takes about 20
you're not even halfway.
I do careless mistake. So many careless mistakes. Okay lah, enough
Okay,
lah. Let's see your results.
teacher,
Okay.
Please,
Finally.
Sachin, no, beat me. Ah, I hate you, Sachin.
All right. Okay.
No,
So,
Why?
no.
okay.
Sachin
Now
Sigma.
there were okay. Guys, I want to ask you something. There was a statement here. Laughter has no real effect on your heart. It was a false statement. That means what? What happens when you laugh?
Wait, teacher, isn't the answer
when you
true?
laugh?
Yeah, false.
False. It's false. But my question is, what happens when you laugh? That means it has an effect on
What
your heart?
happens if we laugh?
What
Because
happens
when
you
we laugh, we waste energy. So sometimes we laugh like a dolphin because
Oh,
we have to gasp for air.
Now, look here. I'm going to share with you
Isn't
some.
that what you say in the English class?
Really? What did I say?
Like how to say having a happy attitude is healthy.
Of course, laughing is good. You know why? Okay. Let's ask Nirav to read here. Nirav, right? Okay, read this, please. Laughing causes.
Laughing causes your ventricle walls to relax and 20% more blood to be sent through your body.
See, by you laughing, more blood is going to. So you must laugh a lot. Laughing is good.
Teacher. Well, so what
Yes.
happens if you're like not the opposite of laughing and stress and like not
You see,
good?
that's what people suffer from. When they're stressed up, every other disease will come and visit them.
Wait, really?
Teacher,
of
when
course.
is class going to be finished?
9-5.
Okay, Durgesh. Oh no, actually we might do it a bit earlier. It's like we're almost done. Because after this, I will send you the module. Okay? All right, and there will be a recording for you to watch. Now, Aloysius, it takes 60 seconds. Can you read this?
Wait, which one? It takes 60 seconds for blood to travel to your toes and back to your heart when you are resting.
No, but after I finish, you can go
Not
to
60 seconds.
16.
16 seconds.
Yay.
16 seconds, to your toes and back to your heart when you are resting. Wow. Okay.
What's the
Now,
use
we
of
all
3
know-
hearts?
That's really a good question. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Guess what? For what do they
How
need
do
3
they
hearts?
use all the 3 hearts?
Well, that is something we
Six.
should explore.
There are 6
Like, there
Huh.
should be a different use in every single heart. Different.
You see, Nirav said, if we laughed, we can release the stress. Yes, true enough. Stress gets released.
Someone make
That's
a
why
joke
people
right now.
Boom, another white armor.
laughing therapy. Have you heard of it? People go to the park, suddenly they
Yes.
burst out laughing.
Wait,
You know?
therapy? Did you just say therapy?
Yeah, laughing therapy.
Oh,
Okay,
laughing.
Sachin,
Oh,
can you
okay.
read this third one?
Heart. Your heart is the second hardest working organ in your body. False. It is the hardest working organ in your body. Blah blah.
Blah, blah. Blah, blah.
Even
Yeah,
more hardworking than
right
us.
now.
All right, so that's about it for today's class.
The
So what will
teacher
happen
said,
after
don't
this?
get like
Okay, we'll end at 8:45, 8:40 ready now. This is not yet a replacement class because we have just finished, considered one chapter, which is the
Thursday.
circulatory system. Now, before I sign off, I want you to tell me or answer me this question. What is the importance of the blood circulatory system in the human body? Please chat, darling, chat. What is the importance of the blood circulatory system in the human body? Put in your own answers now. I want to see. What have you understood so far? Chat, This is a chat question.
What's the question again?
What is the importance of the blood circulatory system in the human body? After learning all these, right? Nirav, I didn't ask you what are the parts. I asked you what is the importance. I want to see a sentence that tells what's happening, not what parts. Durgesh, I didn't ask what parts. Okay? All right, Aloysius, you have an answer. It helps blood go through every body part to make you live. Almost close. Okay. Now I want you all later to remember this because it will be in your modules. So can you see the screen on top in front of you? Okay. So the importance, what is this importance? Why do we learn this? Okay. In the first place,
There's blood.
the system, the regulatory system transports what? What is that most important thing that it's doing? Transports
Blood.
what?
Blood.
No. It's using the blood, but what is it transporting?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay, together with the oxygen, there are 2 other things. Who can make a guess?
Carbon dioxide.
No. It's not carbon. Carbon is coming back later. Together with the oxygen, 2 other things are following it.
Red blood cells and white blood cells.
No. Lungs is the part of the body.
Blood.
Okay. Watch. Can you see me type the word out now?
Yes.
Please read it.
All right.
Nutrients and
Nutrients. Okay. And what?
And
Something
Nothing.
70% your body is made
protein.
of.
Water,
No,
water,
70%
water,
of your body.
water.
Water, yes. It transports oxygen, nutrients, and water to your body part. Of course, it does it through the what? Through the blood. This is done through the blood. Okay? Now, when it reaches to your body parts, from your body part, what comes back now?
oxygen.
transports back
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Transports back carbon dioxide.
Oxide.
Side.
Later in the module, when you listen to this recording, later you will do it. Okay? Oxide, it will
Yeah.
transport back carbon dioxide. What else?
Carbon dioxide.
Only carbon dioxide is it? What happened to the nutrients in the water?
Protein.
No lah. We can call them and other waste products. Okay?
Oh, wait, what? Oh,
Waste,
right.
W-
Like
waste
teacher,
products.
like how to say sweat.
Sweat. That one is actually coming out from your skin. Okay, but when
Feces.
you sort of breathe out, there is also a little bit of water vapor that's coming out. Okay. All right. So it does all this transporting business, and that's important. Okay.
Yay.
And of course, the circulatory system. This is called the what system?
Circulatory system.
Circulatory system.
Does it work alone?
No.
Does it work alone?
Oh,
What
No.
other systems work with it?
a blood flow.
The respiratory system, the breathing.
Oh,
Okay.
right.
You have learned the respiratory system in the previous lesson, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. What other systems do we have? Do you know
No.
the skeletal system?
Wait, what?
The one with your
Wait,
bones?
is there a use for the bones?
Yeah.
Yes. If not, why do you think we all have bones? My goodness.
For nothing.
All right. Some of the
Oh.
systems, this is what we will be exploring. And one more system is the digestive
System.
system. Okay, your food. That one is completely different organs. You know, it goes to still the trachea, but goes to another part. Stomach, intestines. You know, all the way until the food comes out as feces. You know what's feces?
Yes.
Digestive system. What other system? Of course, you have the reproductive system. This one not yet lah. You go to Form 1, you will learn. Okay. Reproductive system is how you can produce a baby. Okay. So for that, how you were produced, how you came onto earth, is through the reproductive system. Okay. So far, do you understand? That's a wrap up of the lesson. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
After this, you will be given the module.
Yeah.
Try doing it,
Teacher.
and I think
Okay.
the next lesson we can discuss it then.
Teacher,
Yeah. Apa tu?
who's reading
Yeah,
about
and
again?